Hey Mike, this is Josh here in Midwest Valley Marketing. Just want to get this custom video like I was talking to you sent over, kind of showing the importance of why we want to start digital marketing online, and especially probably for you to have a website. What's important about it and what we can do to your website once we create one for you to start ranking it so that way more customers can find you, you can increase your profits and help more of the people that truly need your detailing services. So with that being said, we got your Facebook page. This is how you do most of your marketing right now. First things first, I'm going to highly recommend, always going to tell you over and over, get more reviews. Reviews will change your business without a doubt. Every customer you do, ask them to leave you a review. We also build custom business cards that have review QR codes on them. That way people can just scan them and submit a review, whether it's to your Google page or whether it's right to your Facebook. I mentioned your Google page, right? That is another massive, awesome feature that Google offers for businesses, right? So when we search something like mobile auto detailing, right, a few of the things that are going to pop up are the top ones that come up for this specific keyword. Max Mobile Detailing LLC, Bernard's, obviously they do detailing, Clevy's. Other than that, we have the organic section, right? So this is kind of where we want to rank into, but we also want to get this Google business profile right here optimized and get more than 10 reviews. These guys only have 10, so getting more than 10 is not going to be hard at all. Like I said, we do those cards, otherwise we can integrate something into your website. Really, however you feel preferable, we can do. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into the website and how we're going to start to rank this thing, right? So we're going to use a few examples here. The first one is Max Mobile Detailing, right? When I had searched for this, first one that popped up was Max, right? So we figured, hey, he's at the top. People are lazy. They don't want to go far. A lot of business online for mobile detailing probably goes to this guy. We want to figure out what he's doing right, what he's doing wrong. Got right at the top, he doesn't really have a very clear call to action. We want to throw like a promotion or something right there, or a quick $10 bonus or, gift, I guess you could say. Other than that, he doesn't have a lot of content on his page. Google absolutely loves content. Content being certain keywords and words that help rank your website online. Half the time, people don't really care what is on your website, as long as it's got enough pictures for them to relate to, a few taglines where they can understand it, and just a very easy, efficient website for them to say, hey, this is a service I need. This is how I book it. Cool, let's go. And that's all people want to do. But we go a little bit more in depth on how to rank that, right? So we want to have content. We want to have all of our pictures optimized. We want to make sure that we have good click to call buttons, book now buttons all over the website. This guy does not have any of that. We can also do another thing and actually take the analytics side of his website. And this is what we're looking at here. This is called Eris. This is a paid tool that we like to use that shows us the data and analytics side of SEO and marketing, showing kind of what keywords that he's ranking for. He's only got one at this moment, not getting much organic traffic to his site. So seeing this tells me it's going to be easy. We've also got your other top competitor right now. When I search specifically precision automotive detailing, this guy is actually at the top with you as well. He's got 57 keywords, 8 backlinks, and 5 referring domains. One thing we do is we go in and we actually figure out what keywords all of the best mobile detail companies are using. We start locally, and if we can't find enough keywords, we're going to expand outwards and maybe search around the United States or surrounding states around us, Minnesota, Iowa, things like that nature, right? We want to figure out what good search volume it is, because the more search volume we have, the more potential we get searched online and be found. Once we start ranking and we have all of the search volume, people are going to click like crazy, and you will be absolutely battered with business, which is phenomenal. One other thing I would recommend doing is updating maybe a more specific address if possible, or a service area even. I see you have a pretty big following, honestly, and I would have all of these pictures on your Facebook. I would start integrating these into the sites, your website. Before and after is a huge thing too to have. Maybe even change this, send a message to book now. That way people can just book a service right then and there. They don't have to give you a call. They don't have to ask too much. Submit a contact form, all kinds of good things we can do. But with that being said, I hope this kind of helps you understand a little bit why we need to do marketing, and specifically digital marketing. Everything's online right now, as you know. You're just on Facebook. So there's a larger importance to this as well. Once we Once we start marketing well, we can get more traffic, we can get more sales, we can reach a larger search volume, all in all, better profits. So with that being said, Mike over at Precision Automotive Detailing, I hope this video helped. I don't want to give too many of my tips and tricks away for you, but this is a great baseline that you can use this video to even implement this stuff yourself. You don't have to go through us. It's just an awesome, informative video just for you. So, with that being said, Mike, thanks. Have a great day. Hope to hear from you soon.